In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reminder bot on Slack. By the end, you'll know how to use Slack's built-in Remind bot to schedule a clear, channel-wide reminder, check it, and make sure everything is set exactly how you want it. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser so you're looking at your workspace. Navigate to the channel where you want the reminder to appear. In this walkthrough, I'm using a channel called All Test, but you can use any channel where you have permission to post. Make sure you're actually inside that channel so the reminder targets the right audience. Click into the message box at the bottom. To confirm everything is active and your cursor is in the right place, I'm going to type a simple placeholder word, highlight. This isn't required for the reminder itself, it's just a quick way to make sure we're focused in the message field and to show you how message actions work. We'll remove it in a moment. Now let's use the / command. Start typing, remind, and look for Slack's autocomplete suggestion that builds the command for you. In this example, I'm clicking the suggestion that reads something like, Remind all test meeting at channel tomorrow at 9 a.m. This format is powerful because it tells Slack exactly what to do, the channel to post in, what the reminder is about, who should be notified, and when it should happen. If you're following along, click that suggestion so it fills the message box for you. This is just a quick preview of the natural language command version. Before we go further, let's clean up the placeholder message. Open the options for that small highlight post, choose delete message, and then confirm by clicking delete message again. Keeping the channel tidy makes it easier to see what the bot confirms back to you. Next, look for the option to view reminders. Clicking this opens Slack's reminder manager so you can quickly review anything you've set, including what we're configuring now. It's a handy place to verify timing and descriptions. Head back to the message box. Type Remind again, and this time select the Remind bot from the menu. That opens a guided form if you prefer a visual approach instead of typing the entire command. Both methods work. The form is great for making sure each detail is correct. In the Form's Date section, start by selecting Today to open the calendar, then click on the 27th. This locks in a specific date, which is ideal when you want a reminder beyond generic options like tomorrow or next week. Move down to the time picker. First, choose 1 o'clock a.m. to open the time list, and then adjust it to 9 o'clock a.m. so the reminder lands at a practical hour. Be mindful of your workspace time zone. Slack schedules reminders based on that setting, so confirm it matches what you expect. Click into the description field and type meeting. This is the text the bot will use when it posts the reminder. Keep it short but clear so teammates immediately understand what it's about. If you need more context, you can always expand the message next time with details like an agenda or a link to a document. When everything looks good, channel, date, time, and description, click Save. Slack will create the reminder and show a confirmation so you know it's scheduled. You can return to view reminders anytime to review upcoming reminders or to confirm that the one you just created is in place. That's it. You've opened Slack, navigated to your target channel, previewed the / command, cleaned up a test message, reviewed reminders, used the Remind bots form to pick a date and time, added a description, and saved it. You now have a reliable reminder scheduled, ready to notify your channel at the time you chose.